How to use Loctite vinyl, fabric, and plastic adhesive. This stuff is great. I'm using it to fix a leak on an above ground swimming pool. As you can see, it's vinyl and it's leaking right here on this seam. What's great about this Loctite stuff is it's nice and pliable, so we should be able to work that in there and stop this. So the first most important thing is prepping it. It's got to be completely clean. It doesn't have to necessarily be dry, but the drier the better it'll adhere. I'm going to post a link in the description where you can get your own Loctite for your own projects. It works fabulous though for above ground pools and vinyl. So I'm going to go ahead and start with this microfiber towel, and I'm going to really clean and prep the area before I put the Loctite down to stop the leak. I would highly recommend that you avoid using any kind of harsh chemicals like bleach or anything, because that might mess with the solvents and the curing process of the Loctite. I just used a damp rag and then used a dry rag to clean it. So here I go. I'm going to go ahead and start putting that Loctite in there. I'm going to try and work it into that groove and pull that flat back. My goal is, once it's all in there, I'm going to push that flat back over and put a little pressure on it to kind of make it seal back up. Notice I'm wearing gloves. You don't have to, but this stuff is extremely sticky. Also, this stuff needs a minimum of 30 minutes to adhere, but the longer the better. I'd try and plan on letting it go overnight if you can, and you can use it underwater, but for best results, it's best for it to be dry. I have used underwater and it has worked. But that's the tip, guys. Hope it helps. Please like and subscribe.